We are going to make grain spawn. We bought this grain from the market and this is how it looks like. So it is sorghum. So this is our sorghum. This is how it looks like. So what we are going to do, we are going to put it here. Now, this is the sorghum. What we are going to do, we are going to wash it. After washing it, we will boil it. After boiling it, we are going to put it in the bottles and then put in the pressure cooker. Enu yona trafuna obuchupa buragina nko pressure cooker. Tukole honto ito. Tejja kuika. Tejja kuika. Hateki tura. Kanga ati. Tubudom. Yongera mama hizi. Nija batantaka gombono mkazi we nalo. Ivo mkazi takuntu akagomba. Ala. Kandi mkuchwera kyomuga. Nyowe manyire bine ebyawe byo kuhimbe kidomoro. Yo matize ukiri. Kandi obo ivo kunsensero muguso mutima. Hey! Ogunsensero mutima. Nkukurora no gusensa.
Ogo gufuire twina kuguyihaho. Hankini tuguyihaho ogumukurora ntunaga. Chikumanyisa ngunu gufuire. Obutukuba tuguteyire mu mbibo yaitu tugusobora kukora ekitukwenda.
Manani.
Twina kuyihaho gunu. Tukasigaza
ebirungi. Iyo tudoma amaizi. Tutadoma
kubintu kwenda kasengeke. Akasengeke twina kasengeke. Hadi iva tujja kusaba tugulira kasengeke.
Iva tugulire ya kasengeke.
Okikenge.
Hati munu iva munu hakwe. Tuteke.
Aba twogeze twogiyemo.
Yogiyemo train yatabukid. Train it turned into a train. Yabajja tubagenda tuija. Ningamba bakuvuga kubi bajja kubatera. Bangamba bitter turned into beaten. Hati tuteke mu. Let's put here.
Wakwata right.
Bitter turned into beaten. So we are washing our grain. Make sure that it is clean. And this is specifically for lion's mane. Oyster mushrooms are easy. You can just boil and do it. But with lion's mane, we are trying as much as possible to ensure that we reduce on the infection. Okay? Hati.
Wire bunu. Omugusa gwaitu bunu. Oguteyira kiyo mukubye bindi bikoyire. Niyo tukora mwembi. Ati tukuteyira hakyoto nuko tugenda kukora mwembibo. Tuguchumbaho katito. Niguhya ubwo kumara kushya yihaho guhora genda mu maiso nokora ki kuguteka mu macupa nalongo gyo nkoleho ngenda iwe ebyo sana kwenda sunga
mugambe cyo muri gukora manya
ate kino kitukora tujya kusenga ijembe boyaitu mukole muri muganga tugenda kusenga ijamwe amaizi nibwo tusigaze omugusa gwonka gutali mu maizi omugusa guno hanki tugusenga ija maizi ago twinagaihamu nibwo tusigaze omugusa oguteekaine gwanguhe kukora gwongera mu step egarukaho kyetegereize sokosibeho ati omugusa guno tuguteeka mu cupa zino
tugenda kusteaminga kuita obukala
tugenda kugarukamu tugucumbe tuite obuuka obukozereki obukutaahamu yongeraho tujja gucumbira mu cupa zagwo muno oba okurora ntiguteeka obutukumara gucumba
nituteeka mu ensigo nitukora niyo beta